embarrassed him. Did you get that on video, please? Yes! Yes!
You know the hotel?
It's the Holiday Inn in Nottingham.
Well, what do I say?
Just say, hi, my name's Patrick. I need a room.
Let's say that you're attending the smaller fry wedding.
It's just nice. Small fry wedding?
Smaller.
Oh, the smaller fry wedding.
Yeah.
One question and one question only, and it can only be related to work or your car or anything else. One question a day, that's it.
So I can make statements to you, right?
Yeah, you can make statements. You're not asking questions tonight.
I can't be like, yo, how much does this cost or something? But I could be like, hey, Patrick, those are nice shoes.
Yeah. One question a day, Frank. And just like that, we have a coated Yeezy.
I think that was the structure. Where's Chuck at? Some Chuck. There he is.
That's going to be the question mark.
You do not get to wear that hat. Take that hat off your head.
I'm wearing it.
Dude, that is completely wrong. I think I have to burn that hat now. Huh?
That was a question, man.
Gotta ask Luke, your question's already up.
$630300. And again, that's spelled L-E-E-R.
We tinted this windshield yesterday. Biggest piece of glass we've ever tinted. It looks freaking awesome, and it blocks a ton of heat.
There's got to be a fuse pan here somewhere. Yeah, Eric.
Right or fit?
Come on, Jeff. Let's go.
Where's the gas pedal? It's not on the gas pedal.
So the PPF was on the mirror caps and on the bottom of the door for $50. The window was 40, and whatever up there says for spring.
Yeah. Seriously, done with that Lotus. Can you stay until a couple minutes after 5 today? Oh, yeah. The guy with the Lotus wants to pick up, and he won't be here. That's fine. Beautiful yawn.
Me aboard, Captain.
No problem, sir. You got your life vest ready? What we're going to do is we're going to install the RGB LEDs underneath here. We're going to go underneath the seat cushion around the speaker on both sides. We're going to do over here. there, same thing. RGB strip that comes all the way up over. And then up front, we're going to do RGB around the speaker. We're going to do a strip under here, so whenever the seat's on, it will actually glow underneath the compartment too.